I'll be right back. Answer the question. She did. Listen. She said she. We have it on video where she went upstairs. Yeah. We asked her what was she doing.
Okay. What's the problem with us filing a complaint?
I don't have a problem filing a complaint. That's what
I
was trespassed for.
That's what we were trespassed for.
I'll be right back to you.
What's the problem with us having a right to file a complaint?
Welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. Today we're going over a video from Cody High Roller. Today's video involves Cody and another channel, Manuel Mata. These two go to file a complaint on a few Fort Worth police officers. While doing so, they decided they wanted to film the process of them filing the complaint. What would be a standard First Amendment audit turns sour when these two are met by a self-entitled woman who believes she owns the police force. Cody and Manuel challenge her, and that's when the supervisor finally comes out of his hiding place to intervene. But enough of me talking. Why don't I just play the video for you guys?
What's up, everybody? We're at the Central Division in Fort Worth. Apparently a guy's been denied filing a complaint. Can you file a complaint here? Can we file a complaint here? Yeah. We can? All right, thank you.
Is there a sergeant or a lieutenant here?
There's no one back there.
So, because I need two things, right? I was told whenever I came, I was told that I couldn't file a complaint here, that you gave me that card, right? And told me I had to leave. And when I called Internal Affairs, they told me I couldn't file a complaint without the badge number and the name of the police officer. And they gave me a ticket, but I can't read the bottom two names or the badge numbers. That's why I wanted to talk to a supervisor.
Okay, let me go see if I don't think anyone's back there, but I can go see.
Let's get this on camera. Is there a problem?
What can I help you?
Do you work here?
Are you a police
I'm the
officer?
owner.
Are you a Fort Worth police officer?
No,
Okay, thank you. Can you please call your sergeant? There was somebody back there right now. You talked to somebody. Who was back there? Another coworker? Huh?
You have to get off the property.
Why do we have to get off the property? Because you said I have to get off the property. I didn't even say anything. I just walked in.
What did she call you for?
I'm the owner.
Yes, but what did she call you for?
You own the police department?
Yeah, I own the.
Wow.
I own this building, and then.
I thought us, the taxpayer, owned the police officer.
I think you're misunderstanding. I own this building. I lease this building to police department.
But the police work for the public, man.
Yes, but you have to go call them, and then they get you in. And you are, without the permission...
Man, we have a right to be here. We have a First Amendment right under the Constitution to redress our government. That doesn't fall on you. That's a guaranteed constitutional right. You don't have the right to tell us we can't redress our government. And you don't own the police department.
So when I asked
the police department is owned by the community.
I'm going to go back inside. Just tell them to get off the property.
But why though?
So you're telling her to tell us to get off the property, but we're not going to be leaving until we get our complaint filed. What is your name?
I think something confused me.
Something's confused you?
No, they're trying to use you to block us from doing what we're doing.
But it
Do you have something wrong with us coming to the police station and asking questions about the stuff they give us? To file a police report?
Complaint.
Didn't they have any number over there saying you call them?
But it was open. She just buzzed me into the building. This door is locked. I can't open it by myself. She has to open it by herself from the inside over there. I didn't just walk in. She let me in.
Can we file a complaint?
Do you have a problem with me filing a complaint with the police department?
I have no control what you guys want to do. And I just have to do my job.
Are they paying you to say this? Are they paying you to come out here and tell people that you leave the property?
Could you please don't say something is
No,
not
I'm not saying.
Hey, how you doing today? What's your name?
How you doing today?
I'm here to file a complaint.
Can I have your name,
Well,
please?
did that person just tell you to leave?
No.
So I've done some research, and looked as much as I could that specifically states when a state government agency occupies a private space that it must be accessible to the public. Well, let's just say I found all the ammo for Cody and Manuel to hit them with if they ever do a follow-up audit. The Texas Public Information Act gives the public the right to request access to government information. In this handbook, it details how a private entity is subject to this act if it is supported by public funds. An entity that is supported in whole or in part by public funds or that spends public funds is a governmental body under section 552.0031A of the Government Code, meaning this lady tyrant is wrong.
I'm here to file a complaint. That's my First Amendment right.
No, she did not tell me to leave. She said she didn't have a
First of all, my
problem with
complaint
what
is
we're
this
doing.
is public property. You guys are trying
No,
to.
this is not public property.
This is the police department that works for the public.
We do not own this building. We lease this building, so it's not public property. So
Well,
we are trespassing.
But do y'all take money
For
from
filing of a
citizens?
complaint.
No, we do not.
Let me ask you something,
You don't
sir.
get paid with citizens'
Under threat of
money?
arrest, are we being asked to leave?
I'm asking you to leave.
Because under the First Amendment,
No, under the First Amendment, you can talk all you want.
but I can also redress my government.
This is not public property.
I came to...
But I also have a right to petition and redress my government, which is filing a complaint. So by me coming here to file a complaint and me being threatened with trespass,
No, she didn't.
you're violating my constitutional rights to redress my government, sir.
Gentlemen,
She just went and called her.
I'm asking you, under threat of arrest,
Listen.
am I being asked to leave?
I'm asking you to leave, yes.
Under threat of arrest?
Yes.
Okay.
Please leave.
Hey, sir.
So there you have it. What's your name and badge number, sir?
Sergeant D.S. Evans, 2925.
Evans 2925?
Hey, I came to file a complaint. I
Okay,
was told.
what you want to
Listen,
They violated our constitutional rights.
What's your complaint?
I asked.
Come out here and talk to me.
No, I want to stay right here because
No,
this is.
I'm just telling you, you were asked to leave.
By who?
That young lady
No,
on the
she
building.
didn't. I have her on.
Under threat of arrest, we've been asked to leave. That was a violation of our constitutional rights.
I already have her on video saying. she
Okay,
doesn't
well,
have a problem.
if she tells me that you need to leave the building,
That's fine.
and you refuse to, you're going to jail.
Can I have their name and badge number?
Here, come on, man. Come on, man.
I can't see it. That's the whole point I came over.
Hey, come on, man. Even if they arrest you, they've already violated your constitutional rights and mine. We have a right to redress our government
Well, you
under
are
the First
arresting the
Amendment.
government, but I'm telling you, this is not public building.
You are a public
She
building.
owns the building.
You work for us, sir. You don't work for that woman.
Okay, well, yeah. Well, apparently you were asked to leave at another time.
No, I did not.
Well, I'm just telling you what I was told.
Boy, they were
Okay.
lying to you because I have that on video.
Okay, well, that's fine.
And also,
I want to come out here in the light so I can see what's on the bottom of this ticket.
I couldn't see it in the light either.
We
That's
bel
the whole point. I was told here that I had to get. I gave.
Where do we file a complaint at?
4149.
See what I'm saying?
Let's look. You can file a complaint with me. Who are you making a complaint against?
On those officers right there.
Okay, I got 4149 is all I can see, which I can look that up.
But I don't understand what just happened though.
What happened was they violated our constitutional rights,
No,
right to redress our government,
You're
and
addressing your government.
and
But see, this is the we
declared yourself a private
don't- no,
entity.
listen to me.
But
see,
I wasn't. I
is
asked
not.
for a supervisor.
That's me.
She told me
Hello.
there was not
Maybe
one
we
here.
we might have to take this to federal court.
She,
Ken, come on,
sir,
I'm
sir.
saying we lease the building. We do not own this building.
You work for the public.
Yes, I do. But
With
we don't-
taxpayer
yeah,
money.
Yeah, but see, this is private property, and the person
So,
that
police
owns the
department, you're
building
claiming-
if she asks you to leave private property, you need to leave.
She
private
doesn't make
property.
that determination.
Yes, she does. She owns
The
the
police.
property.
Then who do you work for?
I work for her right now. 'Cause
You
she
work
is
for her,
also
you don't work
public.
for the public.
I work. She's also the public.
So
Is
why
she
don't we
not?
have a right to be in what we pay for?
You're not paying for this. We're leasing that little space back there. That's it.
I want her name too.
This
You guys
lobby-
are funded by taxpayer
This
money.
lobby is not ours. We're not leasing this lobby.
But she buzzed me in.
You're
That's
funded
her
by
building.
taxpayer money.
Yeah,
You're a public
She can buzz us in.
She did.
facility.
I know she can buzz us in. She can do that. But
To the
we not
police
leasing.
station.
This is not public area.
To the police station, sir.
Okay.
I got buzzed into the police
But
station by
apparently
her.
the lady who owns the building doesn't want you all here.
Because she went up there,
Okay.
because you told her to go up there and call her so we could get trespassed. I know.
No, well, yeah, because
No.
apparently she had issues with you two before.
No.
With me, you said?
No, she said.
Because this is my first time here. I came in, recorded, didn't say nothing, and was still trespassed.
Okay.
See, what I'm trying
All
to
I asked is, can I file a complaint? I was trespassed.
Okay. Well,
I was told this,
what's
right?
your complaint?
My complaint now is you guys have declared yourself a private entity when you're supposed to be working for
Not
the
private
public.
entity. This is private property.
Now, it might be a federal complaint,
You can do it all you want.
but another complaint I have is this guy claims he was arrested for having tattoos by your department.
It doesn't say that.
Hey, sir, look.
Refused to identify after arrest.
Yeah. I
After
was
arrest for
already-
what?
I don't know.
Exactly.
For,
No driver's license. Yes, ma'am.
I'm the owner, and then I don't give them any the permission to be this.
so this woman here
So
has claimed
you are
that
have
we
the
do no
right-
longer have a right to redress our government. You violate our constitutional
okay.
rights.
So back to what we were discussing before. When you go down more in this very informational piece of legislation, another argument you can make against these crazy ass tyrants is that this police department holds records within the building, which would even further the rights of the people to practice their freedom of press in that building. It's a complete joke that this supervisor would even think to kick these people out of this government establishment. He doesn't even know the First Amendment rights of these men, and he doesn't even know the Texas Public Information Act. It's downright laughable at this point for the requirements it takes to enforce law. Big shout out to Cody High Roller and Manuel Mata for this dope ass video. Be sure to head on over to their channels, subscribe, and I'll see you all over in his comments. Thank you all. Now here's the rest of the video.
Yeah.
Which legally he's allowed to lie. So.
No, I'm not lying to you.
Okay, look.
The
this
young
is-
lady,
this-
listen to me. Listen to me. That lady that came out here, she owns the building.
Because y'all called her the trespassers. Yeah, okay, get past that.
Okay.
Keep moving.
Well, you keep asking about it. Let me see what I can find out for you. I have to come over to my car.
See, you can't even read their names, man. You can't even read their
Oh, I got-
badge number.
So what was he arrested for? You guys are showing.
Apparently he had no driver's license and refused to identify.
So why was I charged with
I
dri-
wasn't out there.
What kind of car was he in? Because he don't have a car.
I have no idea.
You guys arrested him for riding a bicycle?
Now, good day. I'll see if I can find the forms for you.
But we won't be able to turn him in because, you know, we're trespassed, so what good does that do?
501 Jones is also leased.
So,
I think you guys have been there before, right?
so what was I trespassed for?
I don't know. She didn't want you here.
I guess 501's in violation of our
But don't I have to know what I'm
violation of our constitutional rights as well. Right to redress our
She doesn't
government.
want you here.
So y'all can solicit trespassers.
I'll be right back.
Answer the question.
She did. Listen. She said she
We
wants you
have
here.
it on video where she went
Okay,
upstairs.
yeah,
We
she
asked
went
her what
upstairs.
was she doing. She
Okay.
said
What's
she
the
went to
problem
go
with
get
us
some-
filing a complaint?
I don't have a problem filing a complaint.
That's what I was
Yeah, the
trespassed
girl-
for.
That's what we were
Give 'em a
trespassed
call.
for.
I'll be right back. See if I can find
What's the
forms
problem
for
with
you.
us having a right to file a complaint?
See, so you're giving me the same thing.
Well, apparently this is what we have now, not this form.
Oh, they come out with a number to
So
call
who-
where they don't
who-
call you back.
So who
We ain't ever seen
who
that one
said
before.
That's what we get.
Where's the complaint form you said you were going to get?
This is what I'm looking for.
That's
No,
not a
no,
complaint
that's
form. You
not-
said you were going to get a
Right,
complaint
that's
form.
it. This is what you do. You can make a phone call. You make a complaint.
No, that's what I.
Listen also.
No, you're not listening.
No,
You
you're
won't
not
let me-
listening.
Because you're
Person
trying
owns
to
this
tell me
building
to
also
li-
owns this
I'm
parking
not
lot.
done with my business, sir.
Are you aware we're allowed to redress our government without
Sir,
being
before you get-
intimidated,
So-
without fear of reprisal?
Are you
You're not
listening
being
to what I'm
too
saying?
But yet you threatened us
Listen
with.
to what you're saying.
No,
I
you're
told you what's
not,
going to happen.
because I still
so.
haven't finished. You steady cutting me off and telling me leave, and you
Because
won't let
basically
me
you still
finish.
trespass as long as you're in the parking lot.
But
So
I
I'm giving you a
haven't
chance.
finished talking to you. You're
We're
walking
done.
away.
We're done.